Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
All the assignments done? Respa?
Yes, I'm like little behind, but yeah, I'm doing.
No doubts?
As of now, I don't have any doubts.
Good. Okay. Today we'll start with Chrome options class. What is this Chrome options class? We'll do that.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, in the homework, we had a question to open different uh, URLs in different tabs.
Okay.
So was it taught in class to open in different
To open different?
URLs in different tabs and to
Okay.
go to the
Okay, how to do that? You only say me. That is the thing, like you have to explore it, no? Like
mm-hmm,
driver dot switch to window. Using that you have to do.
mm-hmm,
Correct.
driver.
Driver dot switch to window. That means you will switch your control from one tab to other tab. Okay, but how to open a new tab? You have to just think of that.
Okay. Okay.
I'll just show you.
Yeah, it's a driver dot switch to new window and window type dot tab. So is that?
Control T, it is for opening new tab.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
How to switch, how
Oh,
to enter URL, you have to explore it once. Just I
okay,
have
okay.
given you a hint of that.
Yeah, got it. So we have to
Yeah,
using the we have to send the key
using
control plus T.
applications anything you can do.
Mm-hmm.
Got my point, like what I was saying.
Mm-hmm. Got it, sir.
And that's all I said. Like, if you'll start doing the assignments, no, like
Mm-hmm.
taking class is something different. Just I have given you the concepts how to do, but the hurdles,
Mm-hmm.
like what are the analytical thinking, what to do, how to approach, everything you can get while doing like the different assignments. Because everything we can't say in class because we'll go with the flow only. We
Mm-hmm.
know
Yeah, got
okay,
it.
this is the syllabus, I'll teach that, we can do that. But hurdles, all the like what are the like different things you can see in the live environment only.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, I'll be teaching today with Chrome options. Why Chrome options? This one I have
Sir,
on that day I have taught you about this Chrome option. Only one thing I have done, that is handling of disable handling of web push pop-ups. Clear?
Sir, before that, I have a question. If you give permission, I will ask.
Yeah, sure.
So in file upload, there was an file upload. Can you open that?
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, so here in line number 29, we are performing action on upload, right?
Okay.
And then again, we are clicking on upload. Is it both doing same thing or different?
Two different things. Scroll. This is for scrolling operation.
But if this upload is already visible, why do we need to scroll then?
See, just for my reference, I have written if it is visible, no need of writing this also.
Okay, okay.
This not as of I said no. See, my point is that if you are doing Selenium specially, this
Mm-hmm.
Selenium is a UI based testing tool. It's very simple. Okay. Selenium is UI based testing tool. This is first thing. Second thing, in this UI, what is present, it can work on that only. Now you will say me, sir, if something is there in the down, it will work or not? It will work. But thing is that if that page is having a scrolling option, if that page is not having a scrolling options also, it will not work. Got my point? So in that condition, what you have to do, you have to uh, use actions class to scroll to that element, then you can perform operation.
Okay,
For that reason only I have like kept it like that.
okay.
Anything more?
Mm-hmm. No, I think I'm good. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. On that day, I have told you about that Chrome options class. Only one thing we have did, that is web push pop-ups. But today, I'll be teaching you some more options of Chrome options class. First of all, what is Chrome options class? What I said on that day, why we are using Chrome options class? Shikha, tell. This one we did not say.
Yeah, so to delete pop-ups there,
No.
to
This
disable.
this one I have used to disable notification. That is different thing. Why we are using Chrome options class? What is the reason? Like, what is the operational part? What is the logic behind that? That one I'm asking.
Like
Why we are using Chrome options class? Yeah. Anyone?
we can able to get to know the browser version and platform version.
No.
We are using to handle the Chrome pop-ups. Chrome, like whatever Chrome is sending, right? While
Partial
okay.
correct, but it is not about Chrome pop-ups. Chrome options class is used to handle your browser, the
Mhm.
browser which is open. See, the first line is WebDriver is equal to new of Chrome driver. Correct. That means in the what I am doing, I am opening Chrome driver. That means Chrome in my browser. If I'm going for Edge, I'll be using Edge options class. But every argument is same. Correct. That means to change the internal setting of the browser, we will be using this one. Clear up to this now? Everyone, clear up to this?
Can you tell one more time, please?
To change the setting of the browser, we are using this one, Chrome options class. See, actually what happens, I'll show you that. Hmm. You can see here, it is like incognito mode. Here we are changing the settings or not. It is of web page or it is of Chrome.
Chrome.
The same thing. That means the like we are internally what, see here it is written notifications has been blocked. That means it is blocked by not by the web page, it is blocked by the browser. Clear? That means internally what we are going to do, we are going to change the setting of the browser. Done. Got my point right now? What I want to say? Yes, no.
Yes, yes. And Vikram, like
Yes, sir.
this line of code will be used in all the like programs, or like how it will be?
All the programs. That one only I am doing. Because no, this is one thing which I have did. Okay. Many things are there to add on the programs. I'll show you.
Okay, okay.
One is your headless browser testing. Headless browser testing means, what do you mean by headless browser testing? A testing will be done which will be not having the head. That means I will not open the UI, but I'll do testing. See, see here what I will do. Everywhere, first we have to write this. Some of you are asking, sir, like in every program, how many times you have to know? Only one you have to, only once you have to do. Chrome options, option is equal to new of. Headless means without opening the browser, we will be testing. That means if I will write here, web driver is equal to new of Chrome driver. That means by this statement, what will happen?
It will invoke
It
the,
will open the browser directly.
yes.
But my point is, I'll not open the browser and I'll do coding. Like I'll do the execution part. Options dot add argument. Headless. Let it be like that. Driver dot get driver dot get title as actual title. Let's consider the title is equal to XYZ, for example. If we want to validate expected with the actual, if expected title dot equals actual title, title is matching, Title is not. See, browser is opening and everything is happening. The same thing only we are doing previously. Title is not matching, but I don't want to open the browser now. Got my point? Browser will not open, but the execution will happen internally.
So what exactly you did? Can you explain one time?
Exactly what I did is the execution part, what we are executing the code, that code is being executed in the web page or UI, correct? Without opening the UI, we are executing the program. That means will not browser will not open, but internally it will run. See, browser will not open, but internally it will run.
Okay.
That means get method means in like as per the like as what we are doing, it will open the browser, it will enter the URL to that application,
Mm-hmm.
it will fetch the title, then only it will match, correct? But without using the UI we are doing this, because by doing this what happens, there is a like you'll ask me, sir, what is the reason of learning all those things? Thing is that if the execution will take 1 hour internally, what my point, what you will do, you'll sit in front of the system and wait for 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
At that point, except leaving that browser, don't change anything in the code, don't change anything, run that program, leave it, you can do your other works in that system without waiting for the execution, because internally it will execute and it will give you the like
Yes.
results in your console. This is one thing. Second thing is that if like what we can say, execution, another thing is that if there is a problem in loading of the UI, the images, anything, it will take time to load, the execution is slow in normal UI mode, but in this mode the execution is bit faster, because you are not going to open the UI part. Clear?
Mm-hmm. So for doing that, we need to use Chrome option class.
Chrome options class. Many of the interviewer will ask, how, what do you mean by headless testing and how to do headless testing? This is the answer for that. Headless testing means without opening the browser or without opening the UI, if we are going to execute the code, that is known as headless testing, and to do that we have to use Chrome options class.
Okay.
So
Clear?
basically, that headless keyword is to not to show that execution, right?
Yeah. More thing is that this is for headless. Next is options dot add argument to open the browser in incognito mode. Hmm. I am doing with this. INCOGNITO. Open the browser in incognito mode. This one.
So you mean because of headless string, it's not opening the browser?
Yeah, that's why I've commented here. No, because if I'll not comment, you like the browser will not open.
Okay.
See, these are small settings of changing the settings or options of the Chrome.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was teaching, like I was supposed to teach this during your notification pop-up only. But thing is that that is a different topic. These are some of the extra things I'll teach. Everyone may not ask all those questions, but you should know. This is to open browser in incognito mode. Okay. Driver dot switch, like where you writing this statement. Drive. I'll show you one thing. Manage dot. What is the use of this line?
We use it to open it
Maximize
in a
the
big window.
browser.
Correct. That means first browser will open, it will enter the URL, then it will maximize. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
But from the starting, how to do maximize? Options dot
Is there any keyword called option dot add arguments or maximize in it?
start maximize.
So is it possible like if I open the incognito mode, I can hide it with that
Mhm.
headless option?
Yeah. If I
Like what we
if I
need to do?
if I'll do like this, no, it will hide, but it will run in incognito mode.
But that browser won't open in front of us, right?
That's what. That's what. See, everywhere you are not going to use everything. I'm just writing here just to show you everything. Hmm.
That should be maximized or just maximize.
Maximized. See, directly opening with maximize mode. Clear?
So like the arguments we have to remember, is it?
Yeah, these are the things you have to remember. These are the scripts.
Okay, okay.
These are the scripts you have to remember.
How many argument options are there?
See, not arguments options. Many arguments options will be there. Options dot c. These many are there. It depends which one your list of arguments are there. Arguments because I'm adding multiples. No, you can also store it in the list and you can do. But moreover, we will be using only add arguments. That is the thing. Others is not required. Using this also, like it is there. You can get the browser name and all those things. It is there. Get browser name. Get browser versions. Return type is capabilities. Like you can use this also. Okay, these are some of the things it was there. Another thing is that how to handle insecure websites. Insecure websites URL. I need a URL. No. See how to handle this insecure websites. We have to click on this advanced, then we're going to click on this proceed. Fine, then only we can able to see this page, but we are not able to http slash .io. See, this is a not secured website or not. That means these are, we cannot like handle this directly. I'll show you. Handling unsecured.
Can we take that program once?
Sorry.
Yeah, that program can we take? Yeah.
Yeah. Done.
Thank
सब जा लगे जाने की रख दो सेठ see, this is of web page. We like, we cannot handle this directly. To handle this, what we have to do here also, we have to go for like this Chrome options. Chrome options is equal to options start increment, sorry, option dot that is set acceptance insecurities is equal. Done. Directly it is handled. Clear?
So that
You
is
can
all
answer.
to like run that unsecured website, right?
Unsecured. This program is to handle unsecured offsets.
So here we cannot use the XPath, right? Like
No,
without
no,
Chrome options.
no.
Okay, okay.
Because once we have landed to this page, okay, now we are on the web page. We can just take out the XPaths and all those things. We can locate and we can do the operations. But to land that a pop-up like it is coming or not, like it's a insecure websites and all those things. Clear?
Mm. Okay.
Take down
Can
this.
you run that class one more time, sir?
See here, not secure. It is coming, but if directly we will do without handling, it will come like this. We have to click here, then we have to again click here. Instead of doing so many things directly, just by these options, like we have to this set this password directly, it will handle that. Directly it will land to that page.
Okay. Okay.
Done? Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Take down this program quickly. Done. Next is your headless maximize incognito. Done. Then we'll start with synchronization. Script.
Bikram wanted to
Yeah.
ask you, like, how many days it will take to complete this whole course, like including the framework?
See, like I'll be teaching you with mm, this test ng. I may not teach because I'll be teaching you Cucumber framework. We don't need this test ng. No, I'll teach this. Like it will take more 1 month for me.
For everything, right?
Hmm.
Oh,
Because see, we have completed till now up to, I'll just give you a clarity of all those. Chrome options completed, synchronization today and tomorrow, 2 days. I'll complete handling frames, chatbot tooltips, 1 day. Done. JavaScript executor, 2 days. It will complete. Just someone count how many days I'm saying, okay. Uh, JavaScript executor, 2 days. Frames chatbot tooltips with synchronization, consider it for 2 days. 2 to 4 days. Bootstrap is already completed. This one, 5 minutes. This one, no. Different ways of refreshing done. This handling web table, 1 day. Okay, for 5 days. After 5 days, we will start with POM class. That means your framework, and your framework will take around 15 to 18 days max.
and that will be BDD Cucumber, right?
Actually, what I'm planning for you is to teach with hybrid framework. If like first I'll tell you about the hybrid framework. I'll be teaching two frameworks here. Okay, one is hybrid framework and one is BDD framework. If anyone is interested for any framework, they can go for it, because see, both are interrelated. Only some minor changes will be there with hybrid and BDD. Just that changes, if I'll tell you, no, you can grab with both the things. But first of all, I'll be teaching you with POM, TestNG, then fetching data from Excel sheets and all those things. This automation framework, I'll not tell you at that point. After that, at last, I'll tell you then how to take screenshot, how to do cross browser testing. This one I'll complete first. Then I'll start with Maven. After completing this Maven, what I will do is, during this period, you will get to know about the entire hybrid framework structure. Then with BDD, some of the changes will be there. In that changes, what you know about TestNG, I don't have to teach TestNG and POM. Only two more classes I'll be teaching with BDD framework and some like structure to write the program. It will be completed. I'll be teaching here two frameworks, hybrid and BDD.
And also, like how we use in this program, like how we were using Chrome options, right, to handle Chrome pop-ups. Is there
Okay.
anything to like other class to handle other like Firefox, IE? So those are
I've never
also
seen
there.
that from that time, no. Edge.
Okay, like same like add
Same as,
elements.
because the browser which you are using, you have to use the methods will be same.
Okay, okay.
And
So
the like this argument part or the like string part will be same. Only you have to change with
so
this.
that Edge option is for Microsoft Edge browser.
Yeah. Any more doubts? No? Okay.
No, no.
Let's start with the synchronization part. Give me 1 minute. Let me pick a thing. Okay. First, I'll explain you what is this synchronization. Then we will go for the program. Program is very easy. With 2 3 lines only we can do, but you have to understand the concept properly. Okay, guys, what do you mean by the sync? What do you mean by synchronization? Anyone? Quick.
To match two things like to a single
Uh-huh.
point.
Parallelly, two things should be matched.
Okay. But what will be the definition over here? That's what.
So the operation or the activity to do one thing, uh, to do two things at one time.
Matching the, yeah, matching the speed of the Selenium with respect to web browser is known as, see guys, actually this concept is very much important, and everyone, if you're going to attend any of the interviews for automation, 200% they will ask this question. And thing is that I am using you might have seen I am using thread.sleep in every place just to delay the program. That is just to show you I was doing, but everywhere we should not use this thread.sleep. Here you will get to know what is the synchronization is all about, why we should not use thread.sleep always, what is the reason behind that, and what we should use. Everything I'll tell you. I'll just give you a clarity of all those things. Clear? Matching the speed of the Selenium with respect to WebDriver is known as synchronization. This is your definition. Next,
With respect to web browser or web driver, because you said
with
driver.
respect to web browser. See,
Web.
Selenium is WebDriver is the tool used by the Selenium. Selenium is the name of the tool. Selenium suite is having multiple automation tool. Why I'm saying with not with WebDriver, it may be with RC, it may be with Grid, it may be with your ID, anything it would be correct. But the synchronization part means the coding, the codes what we are running, it is getting executed and it should match with respect to your web browser. The in web browser we are opening different websites.
Okay.
Here, that means here I'll show you that example. This is your Selenium IDE where we are writing different codes. Okay, Selenium is the tool. It is not a IDE. The like in our any of the IDE where we are using our automation tool, what we used to do, we used to execute those codes. We are going to execute those codes on web elements of the web page. Web elements of the web page. Clear up to this? Any doubts till now?
No.
No.
Clear. If that means to load all those web pages, we need some time or not. You might be seen here. If I'm opening something here, it is like it will be in like this. It is loading or not. It is taking some time. That means that thing we call as loading speed. This is your loading speed. If through like we are running automation to such a web element to perform operation, if the loading speed will not match with this code what we are running, what we will get, what exception we will get?
No such
Element no found.
Correct. That is your, we will get exception called as no
Such element.
such element. In other, like apart from this is all the this for synchronization we are getting no such element exception. Apart from this, when we can get no such element exception?
If we are giving wrong locator
Correct.
or
If the locator is wrong also, we'll get no such element exception. Clear? Okay. Now, or also we may get empty list, or if you want to print the size as size of the list as 0. Okay. When we will get this empty list or size of the list as 0, and when we will get this no such element exception. When we will get all those things?
When we are looking in another room, like another page, and
No such element exception we will get for only one element if it is not present,
Correct.
and for
Simple
many
thing.
element we will get the
Making it more specified, we will get for
find element.
empty size.
find element method, as simple as that. Okay. If
Web elements.
if we are using find element method, we will get no such element exception. If we are using
Find elements.
this method, return type is list of web elements.
Yes.
Okay, we will get empty list or size as 0. Clear up to this? This is the thing for which the synchronization, like the lack of synchronization, that means like to handle this, we will be using something to handle this loading speed. Clear up to this? Clear up to this? Now, what are the ways to achieve synchronization? Ways to achieve
ACCEEIEVE. By giving the weights.
good. Anything more?
By providing
Hmm.
explicit weight, like visibility of the element something. Yeah.
Okay, what do you mean by explicit weight? I'm not seeing the name, so I'm not asking the name directly. Okay. Yeah, you try. Like, good.
Like implicit weight is for all the elements. Like it has to weight and like that. Explicit is particularly for the element where we want for some condition to happen, and then only it will,
What exception we will get in implicit weight, and what exception we will get in explicit weight? Second. I'll tell you so that for the lifetime you will remember that. Don't worry.
Mm.
No, actually, like it is not like that. It's very easy. All those things is very easy. Just you have
Yes.
to know why this is. See, if I'll tell now with 2 lines only, I'll complete the synchronization in code. Reason of showing you all those stuffs is to just to make you understand the concept. Or else I'll be writing like to handle this synchronization, we'll be using thread.slip, implicit weight, explicit weight. Done. I'll just do the code, complete, go. No. First understand why. Implicitly. Today I'm only writing spelling. Every time I used to write spelling mistake. Implicitly weight method by using explicit weight using print wait. Okay, to achieve this synchronization, we use like implicit wait, explicit wait, and fluid wait. Simple to know this, we are having a small diagram for this to remember this. Just to remember this, that means waiting condition. Waiting condition is this. Okay. Okay. Like first of all, we are using, as we are using Java. For Java, there is also a synchronization part. Then for Selenium or WebDriver, anything we can say. Selenium we have, that means here under Java we are using, what we're using for synchronization in Java, that is thread dot slip method. Clear? The previously what I was using, thread dot slip method. Okay, but in Selenium we are having two things. That is your implicitly wait. Another one is your explicit wait. This explicit wait is again divided into two types. One is your web driver wait, Fluent. Clear? Take down this diagram. Everyone, take down this diagram.
But
Tomorrow.
you will explain what is implicit
Yeah,
wait
yeah,
and
yeah. Everything. See, I'll,
Mhm.
I'll I'll tell you one thing. 1 minute. Driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait duration of seconds as 20. Thread dot sleep anything like let it. Okay. By this line, entire thing is completed. Thread dot sleep completed. Implicit wait completed. WebDriver wait completed. Only I'll tell you about fluent wait. You will not get to know if I will not explain you all those things. No, you will not get to know what is happening with this. I will, that's why I'll take another class just to explain you all those things. Then after that, if I'll start doing all those things, no, you'll grab it easily and very quickly.
yeah.
So first take down this. Tomorrow I'll take time just to explain all those things. Then we'll dive into the program.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Clear?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Any more doubts? You want to ask any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Take care. Bye
Sir,
bye.
recording videos, sir, still not available.
Still not available. What
Yes,
you're
sir.
saying?
Like up to 16 videos only we have in the YouTube channel. Like
Ah,
it was.
he will upload. He will upload. Slowly, slowly, he will upload everything.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
see, I'm not having the access of all those things. He will upload for sure.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye, guys. Take care.
Yep.